a shot of your friends. Bring a couple of your friends with you. I'm finna run out the biggest yacht in the city and show y'all I'm the realest young nigga with a pocket full of money. So much shit stashed up for real. Put my duffel bag out, it's all hundreds on one end. 20s in the middle, I mix the 5s and 10s together. I want separated them from my kids. But bring all your friends to the boat right now. I know they like to fuck with 1942. Got the best shit coming through this bitch for real. I'm paying for everybody so everything good. Get everybody straight, I make sure everybody good for real. Bring all your friends on the yacht with you. Let's do this shit for real. A real D-boy for real. I told her I couldn't stop fucking with her for real. She can bring it to me and I can put it back for real. Tryna tell you bring all your friends on this yacht. Hit the city and make it shit in the city for real. I love to play with water for real. I love to play between her legs. You know I love to get bread. But I love when she give me head for real. Bring all your friends. Shit. Hit the city and get it gone. I just rented out the biggest yacht for you and your friends. You know I pay for everything for real. Not for real. Y'all like 1942 for real. Hit the city. Move this shit. I got the biggest yacht for y'all. I know y'all like 1942. So I rented out the biggest yacht for y'all. Bring you and all your friends. Everything is on me. Try to tell you, got the biggest yacht for y'all. Bring you and all your friends.
Yes, Verdo Belden have a